Save the Ducks by Norma Morales. Illustrated by Peter Church. Oh no! Oil has spilled into the water. The ducks are in trouble. Their wings are covered with black oil. They cannot fly. They look sick. Did they drink the polluted or dirty water? These volunteers work without pay. They will help the ducks. Volunteers hurry to the spilled oil. They must help the ducks quickly. It is hard to catch the ducks. The water is choppy or rough, filled with waves. It pounds against the boat. The boat is rolling from side to side. Finally, the volunteers catch all the ducks. The volunteers take the ducks to a vet, or veterinarian, a doctor for animals. There is more work to do. First, the volunteers wipe the ducks with towels. They wipe off as much oil as they can. Then they check the ducks for broken bones or cuts. The ducks are sick from drinking the polluted water. The vet gives them medicine. Then the ducks rest in a warm, peaceful place. Towel. The volunteer has learned how to help animals. The ducks eat some food. They begin to feel better. But they are not healthy yet. Feathers with oil on them are not waterproof or able to keep out water. The ducks will drown in water if their feathers are still oily. Also, oily feathers cannot keep the ducks warm. The volunteers wash out the rest of the oil with dish soap and warm water. They wash the ducks again and again until all the oil is gone. Then they rinse the soap away. Now they will take the ducks to a new, clean home. The ducks are healthy. The volunteers take them to clean water. The water is cold, but it will not hurt the ducks. They rush into the water and begin to paddle, swim, and quack. How do you think the volunteers feel now?